Welcome to Fluent Harbor. Today, we have a warm and lovely story about two friends, Anna and Lisa. Let's listen carefully and enjoy learning English together. This is a story about Anna's weekend. She had so many exciting things planned. Let's hear all about it. Good morning, Anna. You look so happy today. What are you going to do this weekend? Good morning, Lisa. Oh, I have so many plans. I can't wait. First, I'm going to enjoy a big, relaxing breakfast. That sounds like a great start. What did you have? I made fluffy pancakes, scrambled eggs, and a cold glass of orange juice. It was so delicious. The perfect way to begin a Saturday morning. After breakfast, I put on my shoes and went for a long walk in the park. Oh, I love the park. Did you see anything interesting there? Yes, the park was full of life. Children were laughing and playing on the grass, people were walking their dogs, and there were the most beautiful flowers everywhere. I took out my phone and took lots of photos. I just had to remember that moment. That sounds so peaceful. What did you do after your walk? After my walk, I headed to my favorite bookstore in town. I can spend hours in there. I just love the smell of books. I found a brand new mystery novel that looked really exciting, so I bought it right away. Oh, I love mystery books too. Did you start reading it straight away? Not yet. I actually met my friend Sarah for lunch first. We went to a small, cozy cafe near the city center. I ordered a chicken sandwich, and Sarah had a fresh salad. We talked for a long time about our week and our big plans for summer. It was so nice. It sounds like you had a wonderful time. What happened in the evening? When I got home, I finally sat down and started reading my new book. It was so gripping, I didn't want to stop. Then in the evening, my whole family sat together and watched a funny comedy film. We laughed so much, it was the perfect end to the day. What a lovely Saturday Anna had. Now let's find out what she did on Sunday. And Sunday, Anna? Did you rest or did you have more adventures? Sunday started gently. I woke up a little later, around 9 in the morning. I made myself a warm cup of coffee and sat on the balcony. The air was fresh, the birds were singing, it was so calm and quiet. That sounds dreamy. I love slow mornings like that. Me too. After relaxing for a while, I decided to do some baking. I made a big batch of chocolate chip cookies. The whole kitchen smelled amazing. When they were done, I packed some up and took them to my neighbors. They were so happy, it really made my heart feel warm. Oh, that's such a kind thing to do. What else did you get up to? In the afternoon, I went to visit my grandparents. We sat together, drank tea, and they told me wonderful stories from their younger days. I always leave their house feeling so happy and full of love.
That's truly special, Anna. How did you finish your Sunday?
Well, this is the part I love the most. I decided to do something a little adventurous. I drove out to the countryside, just outside the city, to watch the sunset. There is this beautiful hill with a wide open view where you can see the whole city below. I brought a cozy blanket, some snacks, and my book, and I found the perfect spot to sit.
Oh, wow. Were you alone or did someone go with you?
I went by myself this time, and honestly, it was beautiful. Sometimes a little quiet time alone is exactly what you need. I also brought my camera, and the sunset was absolutely breathtaking. The sky turned the most gorgeous shades of orange, pink, and purple. The fresh air, the colors, the silence, it completely recharged my mind and my soul.
That sounds like something from a film. What did you do when you got home?
When I got home, I felt so inspired and peaceful. I ran a warm bath with lavender candles and soft, calming music playing in the background. It was the most relaxing thing. I felt like a completely new person afterwards.
Anna, I am definitely trying that this weekend. Did you do anything else before bed?
Yes, one more thing. I sat down and wrote in my journal. I wrote about everything I did, everything I felt, and everything I was grateful for. It is a habit I started not long ago, and it truly helps me feel happy and grounded. Then I made a simple to-do list for the week ahead so I could start Monday feeling organized and ready.
That is such a healthy routine. Did you manage to get enough sleep?
I did. I made myself some herbal tea and watched a mystery drama series I had been saving. I only planned to watch one episode, but it was so good I ended up watching 3. Even so, I was in bed by 11 and I woke up on Monday feeling completely refreshed.
Anna, you really know how to enjoy a weekend. Do you have any tips for the rest of us?
I think the key is balance. Do something fun and exciting, but also give yourself time to rest and breathe. Plan a few things in advance, but leave room for little surprises too. And most importantly, spend time with the people who make you smile. That is what makes a weekend truly special.
You have inspired me so much. I think I'm going to start with that hill and the sunset.
You absolutely should, and if you want company, just say the word. We can bring a picnic, watch the sunset together, and make our own little memory. I love that idea. I cannot wait for next weekend now.
Me too, Lisa. Here is to more beautiful weekends ahead. And that is where Anna and Lisa ended their conversation, both smiling, both inspired. Anna's weekend was full of joy, kindness, adventure, and rest. She showed us that a truly wonderful weekend does not need to be expensive or complicated. It just needs to be lived with a happy heart. Next time, we will hear all about Lisa's weekend, and it is just as lovely. Thank you so much for listening, and keep learning with us here at Fluent Harbor. See you in the next story.